Welcome to Creative Tien channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hand knit the heart stitch. This creates a beautiful heart and it's not that difficult to make. I'm using worsted weight yarn and this is number 8 needle. For cast on stitches, the heart shape is 3 stitches of knit when we look from the front. In between, you can put 2 or 3 or have other variations. It's up to you. In most books, it says multiple of 5 stitches because the heart shape is 3 stitches and then we have 2 stitches of purl in between so the pattern stands out. So if you have multiple of 5, then we can add 2 more stitches on the other side. So it will be like this side here and it will be symmetrical. For this sample, I only have 10 stitches. So on one side, it doesn't have the extra 2 purl stitches as background. As you can see, it creates pretty nice edge. And this stitch will not curl. So this is perfect for a scarf or blanket. And I actually prefer the heart at the edge. It creates a nice texture. I'm going to cast 22 stitches. That's 4 pattern repeat plus 2 stitches at the edge. You can use any type of cast on. I'm just using long tail cast on. 2, 3, 4. Now I have 22 stitches. I will start my first row. I want the edge to be the purl stitches as the background, so I will start with 2 purls. Purl stitch, purl stitch. If you want edge stitches, you can add 2 more stitches for the edge. Now we are going to do 3 knit stitches for the heart. So bring the yarn to the back, knit 3. And we'll just keep repeating that. Bring the yarn to the front, 2 purl. Bring yarn to the back, 3 knit. And we end with 2 purl stitches. That's row 1. The second row, we continue the same pattern. When it's knit stitch below, we will do a knit stitch. When it's purl stitch below, we do a purl. So it will be 2 knit, 3 purl, 2 knit, 3 purl. Two knit, 3 purl. Two knit. That's what we have so far. And we will continue the pattern 2 more rows. So when we turn it over, we'll repeat the row 1 and row 2 again. So when it's purl, we do a purl. When it's knit, we do the knit. So the first 4 rows will be the preparing the pattern. So we'll repeat the same as the first row. Purl 2. Knit 3. Purl 2. Knit 3. And end with purl 2. Now the 4th row, we continue following the pattern, knit the knit stitch, purl the purl stitches. So this is the same as row 2. We do 2 knit stitch, and then 3 purl. 2 knit. So that's the 4th row. So next row we will start the pattern. So when we start pattern, you will see the 3 stitches together. That will be the knit stitch. And those are the heart shape pattern. So we continue the background purl stitch. That's 2 purl. And then for the heart pattern, we want to do a knit. So we place the yarn to the back of the needle. And then we're counting down from the center of the 3 stitches. We see this is the first hole, second and third. So the 3rd stitch down, you insert the needle and make a knit stitch. So we create 1 extra stitch or extra loop. You can pull it out a little bit so it's not too tight. And then we knit those 3 stitches normally. And then we want to create another loop. We go back to the same stitch, the 3rd hole from the middle stitch. We go back to that and do a knit stitch. So you can see we have a very long stitch there. So the 3 stitches becomes 5 stitch now, and we'll continue knitting. This is the background. We do purl stitches, 2 purl. And then heart stitch, we want to do knit. So place a yarn to the back first, and then count 3 stitch down. Here is the 1st, 2nd, 3rd stitch. Knit. And then knit 3 stitches normally. 1, 2, 3. And then we go back to the same hole to create 1 more stitch. You can see the 2 extra stitches on the left and right side of those 3 stitches. And we continue knitting, 2 purl as the background. And then yarn to the back because we want to do knitting. The middle of the 3 stitches, count 3 stitches down, 1st, 2nd, 3rd hole here, knit. And then knit 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. And then go back to the same hole and knit 1 extra stitch. You can see the 5 stitches here. And we have 2 stitches left, and that's the purl, the background. So we do 2 purl stitches. So this is our first pattern row. You can see the V shape. So the next row, we want to continue the pattern. So if it's knit, we do knit stitch. If it's purl, we do purl stitches. And for those 2 extra stitches, we will just slip over. So the first 2 are knit, we do knit stitch. And then this is the heart. We have 5 stitches. The middle 3 are original, and there are 2 stitches outside those 3 stitches. So we'll just slip it, and slip it purlwise. And then we'll purl the 3 stitches. And then slip the stitch purlwise. And the next 2, we have knit stitch. Place yarn to the back of the needle and knit 2 knit stitches. And then it's a heart stitch again. We have the 3 purl stitch here and then 2 extra stitches. Since we are going to do purl, we can move the yarn to the front and slip the first stitch purlwise without knitting. Just slide it to the right needle, and then we'll do 3 purl stitches. 1, 2, 3. And the last one, we also slide it to the right needle, and then continue. We have 2 knit stitches. Place yarn to the back, knit, knit 2 stitches, and the last 2 stitches are knit stitch, so we will just knit as usual. Turn it over. Next stitch, we want to complete the heart shape, and for the background we will continue the same pattern. We'll do the 2 purl as the background. So the first 2 stitches are purl. We'll do purl stitches. 1, 2 purls. Now we are at the heart stitch. Because it's the knit stitch for the center 3 stitches, so I will place a yarn to the back. And for the first long stitch, we'll just slide it purlwise to the right needle, and then we'll knit the next stitch as usual. And now we are going to pick up the long stitch on the right needle and over the last stitch like that, and let go, and then we will knit the middle stitch. And for the last 2 stitches, 1 knit and 1 long stitch, we'll knit them together. That completes our heart shape. And then that's the background stitches. We do 2 purl stitches, and then the heart stitch again. Place a yarn to the back, slide the first stitch, knit the second stitch, and then pick up the long stitch and go over the last stitch like that. Pick up and go over it. It's like when you are going to bind off. And then we'll knit a stitch. And then for the last 2 stitches, we knit together. That's the heart. So we'll continue the background. That's the purl stitch. Purl, purl. And then it's a heart again. Make sure the yarn is in the back. Slide the first stitch to the right needle, knit the second stitch, and then pick up the long stitch, go over the top, and let go, and then knit the next stitch, and then knit the 2 stitches together. The last 2 stitches are purl, so we do 2 purl stitches. So that's our first heart shape. And we need 1 more row to kind of completing that heart. And this is just like a background. We follow the pattern. When it's knit, we do knit. When it's purl, we do purl. So we start with 2 knit stitches. And then 3 purl. And we just continue to knit. 3 purl, 2 knit, So basically it's like a ribbon. So that's why it will not curl. So that's the first set of the heart, and we can continue going. The next row, we can start picking up the stitches again, and the background will continue the background. So the first 2 stitches are the purl, 2 purl stitches. It's 3 knit stitches, and we can knit it the same as the 5th row. We look at the middle stitch, go down 3 stitches, the 3rd hole, and then knit. So we got 1 extra stitch, pull it out, and then knit the 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and go back to the same stitch. Pull out a little bit. So that's a heart. And then the background, 2 purl stitches. And then the heart again. Place the yarn in the back. Pick up 3 stitches down here and knit. So that's a long stitch. Knit 3. And we'll pick up from the same hole here. Knit. Now we have 2 long stitches, and we'll continue 2 purl stitches and continue the last 2 stitches purl. To bind off, you can just follow the pattern. So the first 2 stitches are the purl. Purl the first, purl the second, and then take the first stitch, go over the last one. The next 3 stitches are the knit, yarn to the back, knit the next stitch, and then bind off 1 stitch, and then knit again. Bind off, knit, bind off, and then we have 2 purl stitches, so we'll do purl, bind off, purl again, bind off, and then we have 3 knit stitch, so we'll continue doing the knit, bind off, so this is a bind off in pattern. This is a cast on. It's very stretchy and it doesn't curl. If you want to make a scarf, you can double the stitches. Around 42 should be a good size scarf. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.